Okay, everyone, welcome to this short video on stacking in addition and subtraction. Remember, stacking is not our main strategy, but we can use it to check our work. Now we can do it to add and to subtract. So we can add 65 and 21. We can also add 21 plus 65. It doesn't matter because we can add in any order. And remember what that's called. That's the commutative property. However, when we do subtraction, like this one, 81 minus 44, the biggest number must be on top. We have to remember that very important rule. Now let's take a look at how we can add by stacking. We'll start with this here, 35 plus 11, and we have to make sure that everything is lined up correctly. 5 plus 1 is 6. And then we think about the next column. What is 3 plus 1? It's 4. And the answer is 46. It's pretty easy when you don't have any numbers over 10. We're just using very simple math facts that we knew when we started the year. Here's another one. 27 plus 31. Everything's lined up, and now we add 7 and 1, and we get 8. And then we add the next column, 2 tens plus 3 tens equals 5, 5 tens. So the answer is 58. Okay, here's another one. This is a little bit different. Let's make sure everything's lined up, and we add 6 and 5. Well, 6 plus 5 is 11, but we're not going to write the 11 underneath. Okay, we're going to put the 1 from the ones column there, but we're going to put the other one on the 10 side. And then we just add up. 1 plus 4 is 5, and 5 plus 3 is 8. And the answer is 81. Now let's look at this one. 19 plus 64. No problem. Everything's lined up. 9 plus 4 is 13. But we're going to split that 13. The 3 can go under the ones, and the 1 will go over to the tens. And then we add. 1 plus 1 is 2, and 2 plus 6 is 8. The answer is 83. Let's try another one in addition. 75 plus 22. We check the alignment to make sure everything's straight, and we add 5 and 2, and we get 7. Then we look over to the next column and add the tens. And 7 plus 2 is 9. The answer is 97. Now let's try some subtraction. We're still going to start the same way. Line everything up correctly. The ones over the ones, the tens over the tens. 4 minus 1 is 3. And 5 minus 1 is 4. And there you go. The answer is 43. Okay, here's another one. Now this one's a little bit different. 80 minus 16. Well, everything is lined up just right, but now we have a problem because we can't do 0 minus 6. So what we're going to do is we're going to borrow a 10. We're going to cross out that 8 and turn it into a 7. And we're going to add 10 to the 0. And now we subtract 10 minus 6 equals 4. And then for the other side, what's 7 minus 1? 7 minus 1 is 64. Okay, so for some of these, we have to regroup. Here's another one like that. 71 minus 18. We can't subtract 8 from 1, so we have to cross out that 7 and make a 6, and cross out that 1 and make an 11. 11 minus 8 is 3. And then if we think about the other side, 6 minus 1, and that's it, boys and girls. In this video, we looked at how to stack and add and subtract. That's it. Make sure your work is always neat and the numbers are lined up properly, and then just use the simple math facts that you know, and you're good to go. The end.